Hi guys, welcome back to watch Nelly Doing Things. I'm here to show you guys my new nail set. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and I hope you guys love the tutorial. Let's go check it out. So guys, here are my little nubbies. I'm going to start out with my stiletto tips and also my nail glue. And then I'm going to go my nail clippers as well. And I'm just sizing up my nails to see which ones fit my nail best. I'm going to go in with my nail drill, and I'm going to also go in with my nail filer, a bigger one, that I'm going to drill it down. And my nails are all shaped and drilled down now, and I got my square shape. That's what I'm going with today. Now I'm going in with my bond. This is number 1. So this is what you use on your nail, your natural nails, a primer. So it helps not lift and sets it in place. So I'm going to hit every single one of my natural nails that are out besides the tip. Try to stay away from the tip. And I'm just hitting up every single nail to make sure no lifting whatsoever. So now my nails are going to be nice and primed and ready for the base coat. So this is number 2. This is what seals the deal and keeps it all in line. I'm going to go in with the shade Tangy Orange. So this is what I do at the beginning of my nails. I like to build up my apex. So I go right in the center of my nail, and I literally just get the tip and right in the center. So when I get that all ready, I'll actually be popping it right into that powder. So this helps. This powder is so nice and fluffy. I was so shocked because I said this is so light and airy, and it's neon. I was like, really, this is really bright. But this just actually builds up your apex, just gets it in a nice natural curve to your nail. I'm going to hit this on my thumb, my index finger, and my pinky. So with the dip powder, usually what I do, I actually go in about 3 to 4 coats sometimes. Usually 4 coats on my thumb and 2 to 3 on my pinky and my index or any other fingers I usually go. So I just dip it right on in, and then I just tap it right on off to get the excess powder off. Then I'm going in just with it's like a cheap little nail brush. I just dust off the excess between each coating, each layer I do to the front and the back of my nails, get every inch of powder off my nails. So I don't want no extra powder nowhere. That glue will catch it, will attach to it. So I'm just dusting off all my nails, make sure there's no powder anywhere whatsoever. Only the things that are glued down is what we want. Then I'm going in with another layer. Like, you want to build. The dip powder can get bulky, but you just want to build it little by little by little. So by the time it gets to your cuticle, it's very a light coating, but you want it more thicker in your tip and in your apex. So, or more in the center, that is. And I'm just doing this on every single nail. I did about 2 coats with my pinky and 3 coats with my index and 4 with my thumb. So I was like, I was building on nails today. So I'm just, again, going over each nail. I just decided this color was so pretty. At first I was going to do 2 nails, and I said, I'm doing 3. I'm going to do 3. It's so pretty. So dippy dip. And of course, tap it right on off. Keep on tapping, get it right on off. And in between each layer, don't forget I dust it off. So this time I went in with another layer. So this was that final layer. I just had to get the sides because I noticed the sides were a little bit thinner. And so I want them to be more even out, a little more full. So again, tap. Look how that powder is just so fluffy and rich. So fluffy and rich. So this is my 3rd coat on my index finger. Dippy dip right on in. So it's just a process with dip powder, but I actually love it. I think dip powder is so much easier than acrylic and all of that. So I love just playing around with dip powders, creating designs, and just sometimes doing a full set that's mainly one color. So again, this is my last coat for my pinky, and literally tap that right on off. And actually, this was a 4th layer of my thumb that I said I just need to get a little bit closer. If you can tell, I still had a little bit left until it was almost to my cuticle. So I said, okay, I got to hit it one more time, and it's going to come out nice and full. Nice, pretty orange. So dip, and tap it right on off. Now we're going in with the new shade, which is Sparkly Fire. Now, y'all, look at this color. Just look at that. I just had to show y'all up close. It's so pretty. So I'm going to go in the middle of my nail because this color, I tested it off a camera. It is so pigmented, and I said one little dip. Like, look guys, look how satisfying it is. Like, it's so glittery, so sparkly. Look how pigmented, it's covered my nail. I did my other middle finger in there too. It's just so pigmented and glitter and sparkly. Like, look at that. It is so pretty. So next I'm going in with the clear powder. So I'm using this just on my ring finger. I just want clear. I just want a glass nail. Just wanted something clear to clean the plate on my nails. Clear powder, I usually build up to 2 to 3. I don't really need a lot, but most of the time I do go with 3. So this is like my second layer with my nail, and then this is the third layer. See how full it is? And I dust it all right on off. Clear nail looks cloudy, but once you put gloss and everything on it, it will not be cloudy anymore. So those are all finished, nice and powdered up. Then I'm going in with my activator. So guys, this activator is what's going to make it hard as a rock. So it gets it prepped and ready for filing, drilling, smoothing, all of that. So this is going to make nails rock hard. I leave it on for like about 5, sometimes 8 minutes. Walk around, do what I got to do. Then I go back and literally just start filing away. This gets it so hard, like literally I just double do it sometimes because I want to make sure, because when I file my nails down. Like I want the shape to be perfect. So some of these nails, like the clear ones, looking already good, but I just extra. I always go in with the second coating a lot of times. So now I've got it all activated. Like I said, I go with my drill. I go with the first drill in the front, which is the cuticle driller, and then I go with the biggest one in the back to just file it all down. Then I come back with my handhelds and sharpen things out. I also start with the ridges. I smooth with my cube, and then also I shine my nails too. That's what I'm doing right now, just buffing everything off. Then I go in with my dry cloth. So this gets off all that drilling and filing I did. It gets off all that extra powder. So when you do your final layer, your final gloss layer, your final activator, you have no dust. You don't want no dust on your final product. So now I'm going in with my activator. This again is going to seal the deal. So anything that I may have ridged off while I was filing or buffing or shining is going to seal it all back in. Like there's no open spots, there's no glue or anything popping through. So my nails are going to be hard as a rock again. Really, it makes it very, very hard. And for 5 minutes, I went to go rinse my nails off right after this, and this is what it came off looking like. So now we are all ready for the base final coat. Now guys, look at this. This is so sassy. Look at that crystal shimmer or crystal just sheen. Is so pretty. The final gloss is just like the best when you get done doing your nails. You're just like your final work, your hard work. This comes through and it just looks so pretty. Like look how glossy that is. That is gorgeous. That orange is so pretty, so neon. But y'all check out this red. Look at that. This red, I thought it was gonna be like orangey. It had orange, red, purple, blue sparkle. It had so much. Like, look, I'm wearing this during Christmas. I have to. Look at this clear nail. Clear. You can see through my nail and the crystal in the back. You can see it's still clear. Look how, I love a clear nail. Yeah, I'm gonna do a clear set. I'm just gonna have to do a real clear set. But so I finished all my nails glossing. This is what they can look like without the jewels. But of course, we're adding jewels. We're adding our crystals today. So I got small to medium crystals. I'm going in with my nail raisin and my wax pencil to set them in place. With the orange, y'all, I just wanted to have a cute little sparkle right at the top. Just right at the top of my nail. Nothing too crazy, not too big. I just like that. I like the color so much. I just wanted to show. I didn't want it to cover it up. With my red nail, I wanted to give kind of a halo sparkle effect. So I'm just going to go around my cuticle. I just wanted to get an extra little sparkle on the nail. Just why not? It's already sparkly. Let's add some more. And look at that, just shining. Now my clear nail, I actually wanted to go diagonal. I wanted to go from the top of my fake tip to the bottom of it. Just wanted a nice little crystal little layout. Like it just needed to be sparkle, needed a line of sparkles. That's what I'm like, look, I gotta show y'all because it is so cute. I just had to show it off. And it was such a simple look. But guys, on the back, I love to actually put on crystals. I do this all the time. I did it one time and I can't stop. And I just like the glisten it gives you on the back of your nails. It just looks so cute. Now I'm going in for my pineapple cuticle oil. Y'all, this helps shine it out, get your cuticles nice and moisturized, and we are done. This is the final look, guys. I hope you love the tutorial. I hope it helped. And thank you for watching doing my nails. And don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. And again, I'm gonna catch y'all next time. Bye.